In this video, we shall be talking about the differences between coins and tokens. Many of you must have been hearing about coins. At the same time, you are hearing tokens. You will be asking, what are their differences? First thing you need to know is that coins are actually base layer blockchain crypto. All right, they are actually cryptocurrencies with their own blockchain, and they are usually the base layer. All right, so let's say you have cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, BNB, or Binance Coin. These are coins that actually have their own blockchain. But when you hear of tokens, tokens are built on top of another blockchain. Okay, tokens are built on top of another blockchain. So that is the main definition of coins and tokens. But talking about the differences, let's look at some of the key points that you need to know as far as tokens and coins are concerned. So the first thing you need to know is that coins operates on its blockchain independently. All right, coins will operate on its own blockchain independently. It does not depend on another blockchain or like smart contracts. Meanwhile, tokens do not have their own blockchain. Like I said, they are actually built on top of another blockchain. And you will realize that coins can function as money. You look at Bitcoin, for example, it is a coin and it can function like money. If you go to countries like El Salvador in Latin America, you will see that Bitcoin is already legalized as a cryptocurrency in that country. So you see that coins can be used as money. Tokens offers much more functionalities. Tokens actually deals with smart contracts, and it is flexible to offer other functionalities. That's why when we were looking at the types of tokens, you see that tokens can be used for payment, securities, utilities, and what have you. And of course, tokens can easily be created. It doesn't cost anything to create a token. You can spend just 2 minutes, just go on the computer, and within 2-3 minutes, you are already creating your own token. So it's very easy to create a token. It's just like fill the blank spaces and then you already have your own token. But meanwhile, coins have actually a very big or bigger ecosystem. It takes a lot of complexity and before you can actually create a coin. So these are some of the differences between coins and tokens. So go out there and enjoy.